What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Today, we're going to talk all about shorting and my favorite strategies. I was able to make $3,019 shorting Morgan Stanley, and I want to walk you guys through everything. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Let's do some shout outs and get right into it. GGG, what's going on? Candace, Dr. D, Trading Wars Army, Tad, Bill, Johnny, Trading Wars Army, Ravi, Wesley, D, what's going on? Good to see you guys. All right, anybody else in here? Let me hit the replay and then I will walk you through today and how we made this money. Okay, so first and foremost, guys, I always post my free picks on the YouTube and the Twitter. And then I also post some bonus picks here for Trading Wars Army members. Okay, so make sure you're subscribed so you can get the free picks. Okay, so let's start off with Morgan Stanley today. And we are going to play through the price action. And I'll show you guys how I was able to bank. But let's start off here with the daily chart for Morgan Stanley. Okay, so Morgan Stanley, guys, what this is one of my favorite short setups. This is what I call the shotgun. Okay, so you could see on yesterday, we closed with an inside bar. However, if you look to the left of the inside bar, we have this long wick candle. Okay, so what that's showing me is there is short pressure in this range here. Okay, and from there, that's where I came up with the shotgun, because it feels like the shotgun is pulling back here and it's looking to boom, push straight down. Okay, so my short area here, let's go ahead and start off with a first 5-minute bar, boom, and we'll play this candle right here. And you can see, guys, we gap down with this big doji. Okay, so let's talk about how we can trade this. All right, so there's a few ways that we can trade this. The first thing we can do is take our short trigger. All right, so I was looking to short right around 83.17. Okay, so that's the first option. This is an automated order where you can enter right away, or in this case, we had an inside bar, so you could actually short below the inside bar. Or the last option is to short below the low of this doji, which is the opening range breakout on the 5-minute right there. Okay, so there are 3 possible ways to take this short. All right, so why do we want to short this? Okay, well, the first thing is, like I said, we had the shotgun. And what I want to show you there, guys, is I want to show you this wick. All right, is this a bullish or bearish wick? Hit me with the 1 for bullish, hit me with the 2 for bearish. And what I really want to point out to you guys here is look at the size of this wick. And usually when we have this type of price action, it is a very algorithms driven, because retail will not usually be able to move the market, especially on a stock like Morgan Stanley, to that capacity. So therefore, we see the bearish interaction yesterday. So today we gap down and we're just looking too short. So I got short today right at the open, guys, and I held this right into the close. And I was able to take $3,019. Just one trade, Morgan Stanley, keeping it simple with the stocks. Okay, so the steps are, first of all, identify the daily chart. We saw the shotgun pattern, and then you have 3 ways to enter. You could use a trigger level, an inside bar, or an opening range breakout. Either one would be fine depending on what you feel most comfortable about. Okay, let's go here to SPY now. All right, so I'm going to go to SPY, and I'm going to replay the 5-minute chart for you guys as well. All right. All right. So if I hop into the Discord, what you'll see here, guys, is we have these trading plans. All right. So yesterday we posted our trading plan at 1845 that we wanted to short for 1912. So this is an example of an automated situation, very similar to Morgan Stanley. So here we go for 1912. Here's our entry right there. So there's our fill. And then from there, guys, that's all she wrote. So that's an example of an automated entry. The opening range breakout, however, today was unsuccessful. I did try to short on the orb this morning, but then you could see I got poked out and then it eventually came my direction. So unlucky with the orb, but on Morgan Stanley would have worked perfectly. But there's another example of an automated trade. So for more on automation, go to tradingwars.com/resources. This is the automation lesson. I'll just copy and paste this to you here, guys. So if you want to learn a little bit more on that, hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. Okay, I have a really great announcement here. Tomorrow, I will be doing Day Trading University Class 5 on futures. So here we go. I'm going to show you guys a sneak peek. So I worked all day and I created this lesson 5 for you. I'm going to link it in the comments right now. I'm linking it in the chat for you guys. Second right there. All right. So futures trading, guys, this is everything here for you. I talked about growing small accounts, options versus futures, brokers, everything ready to rock and roll. And I have some live screen shares of my futures trading. So check that out. It's at tradingwars.com resources. Tomorrow I will go through this in detail, but I wanted to give you a sneak peek. Okay, so let's go here to futures and let's go back to the 9:30 open, which was right here. Okay, so with futures, what we're able to do is actually enter the market overnight, or we can use future levels. So we wanted to short at 41.7625. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that in 41.7625. 41. Oops, that's for today. My bad. It's this one, 42.0375. So you guys just got the free plan for tomorrow. Okay. All right. So if you can see here, guys, this is the same candle as SPY. However, with the futures, all right. So notice we actually end up in this trade, guys, overnight. So at 1 a.m., this trade, sorry, is back here at 2350. So 12:50 a.m. or 11:50 a.m. guys. My bad. I'm not good with reading the overnight hours in military. So from here we got filled. So if you want to trade the futures overnight using those levels, you can see there's your entry here, guys, and that was good for a few points. So that was good for about 8 or 9 points. So 8 points would be 4 contracts. Personally, for me, I don't really like to trade too much overnight, but I wanted to show you guys in case you guys are interested in doing that. And then you can see that this level was retested during the regular trading hours. This is great for people that live in different parts of the world. I have a lot of people in Discord from Singapore, and you know, sometimes they want to trade overnight. It's a little bit easier for them. Hit me with a 5 if that makes sense, my friends. So that will be the topic tomorrow. And I'm planning to do a live stream on Friday, guys. If you're interested, I'm just looking for one more person to join the Trading Wars Army. All right. So if one more person joins the army by Friday, we will do a live stream and we'll hunt some profit together. All you guys have to do is click the join button right at the bottom of the video. It's $4.99. And I post custom content every single day for the Trading Wars Army. Yesterday, I posted this full spreadsheet for them. And different things you can see here. This is all the content they get. And then I also do swing trades and different things like that. I also wanted to briefly talk about here. Let's look at the monthly chart. So the monthly bar has closed on SPY, and it's closed with a beautiful outside bar. A very tight one, but it is a telling outside bar because we did break the low of April just barely, and then we started to reverse. So I'm going to post a plan for this as well. Just leave me a comment below if you're interested in this swing trade. This is a monthly plan, so I'm not sure how many of you trade on the monthly chart because it does take at least 2 or 3 months for this plan to develop, just like how we had this holy grail back in 2020. You see it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So almost a year for that full peak on this trade right here. Okay, so if you guys like monthly bars, I'll be posting some of that content also. All right, guys, look, that's all I wanted to say. Very simple. Look at the daily chart, figure out what type of situation are we in. We have the shotgun, and then we have 3 ways to enter: the trigger, the inside bar, the opening range breakout. Very simple. And we just ride it into the close. All right, some days this was a trend day. We caught the trend, $3,000. Really nice way to end the month. All right, guys, as always, check me out, tradingwars.com. Resources are here. And this might be my last day trading university lesson, unless you guys want more. So if you want me to, if you're getting value from this, guys, please go ahead and comment and like. So my goal is 100 likes and 20 comments on this video if you can, because I've been putting a lot of these together and I really haven't seen too many people watching it, but I do think it's adding value. So just let me know, guys. All right. As always, you can sign up right here on the main page, guys, for the SPY VIP room if you want to trade with us live, or you can grab any one of my 3 books. Right now, we're doing a 2-month deal instead of a 1 month. Okay. For the university. That's it, my friends. Thank you so much for your time. Really nice way to end the month. I really want to have a stronger month next month. This wasn't as good as I wanted. You know, in April, we were doing a lot better in terms of money. It was probably my best month of the year and in a while. And this month was a little bit slower, but still able to end up profit with the fibs. But I want to get more, guys. This is the year where I want to triple, quadruple. I want to hopefully get to $1 million at some point. So, you know, let's keep going and let's not let the momentum down. Thank you so much, guys. And don't forget to comment, and let's get that goal. And one more Trading Wars Army member, I will do a live stream on Friday, all right, for 30 minutes to an hour, and we'll hunt trades together. Thank you very much, my friends. Take care.